Nice and easy.
All right, hold what you got.
Release the mini drones. Got a heat sink. Second stack, closest to the bow.
Predator 01, capture target area.
Set charges.
Gunfighter 01, Eagles moving. Internal. There. On the left. North side. On that dual point.
Frogman A3. Frogman A3. Sight on rooftop. Do sight on rooftop.
I got platoon on standby.
Let that helo know we're moving external.
I got it.
Bravo 6 starboard. Ship right, ship right.
Cracking steel!
Fire!
Missiles out, danger close.
He's running. Move!
He's on the run! He's on the run!
No! Please! Hold your fire! Hold fire! Cannot see, I've been injured.
Lock him in. Lock him in.
Medical officer Ratchet. I'm a friend. I'm an Autobot.
Why are you running?
Optimus sent this distress message.
Calling all Autobots. We are under targeted attack. Cease all contact with humans.
We're all hiding. All Autobots are being hunted. We're all in danger.
I lost a sister in Chicago. You get no sympathy from me.
What's wrong with you humans? No! Please!
Check fire. Check fire.
He's mine now. Lockdown.
Autobots, Decepticons, like little children, always fighting, making a mess out of the universe. Then I've got to clean it up. There is one way you survive. Tell me where he's hiding. Where is Optimus Prime?
Never.
Never is here.